from ChatGPT using the AI, we're doing a post in Canva. Look at this, what ChatGPT and Canva can, and this took like literally like not even a minute.
Yes.
Worried with social media post? Problem in finding content regularly? Not enough time to execute your ideas into post? Don't worry. We have solution. In 2 minutes you can create 25 Instagram posts. Let's learn from our expert.
Hey Crystal, so what are you going to show today?
Today I'm gonna show you how to create posts in Canva with the help of ChatGPT.
Okay, very good. That is very helpful. So go ahead and show. Let's see.
Okay. First is we're going to ChatGPT here. And our prompt is going to be, can you please create a list of 25 inspirational and leadership quotes. So this will be our prompt, and you can always personalize it whatever you want. If you want to search quotes about gym, nature, whatever you want, because ChatGPT can understand human language. So it's a great tool. So next is, since we have the quotes here now, I want it to be in an Excel format so that we can transport it into Canva. So I'll say keep it in table format.
Oh, nice.
So we don't have to copy paste everything and put it in Excel file. So ChatGPT will create the table format for us.
Also very good. So by the time he's doing that, so let me ask you, so this is the quotes, but also suppose someone in the real estate business, they can also say like, give me like 15 suggestions to the home buyers. Will that be something like that? This is great. Okay.
Next is we're gonna download the table.
Okay.
Okay. Then next thing that we're going to do is we're going to Canva. And since it's a quote, I want it to post in my social media, which is the Instagram. So I'll search for Instagram post. So you can see it from here, we have lots of templates that Canva offers, but since it's a quote and motivational about leadership, I want to change it to be more specific. I want to create a filter for quote and motivational. So let's check which one is the best for us. Since it's motivational, I want something let's check like this.
That looks nice. Okay, perfect.
Then remember the Excel file that we exported from ChatGPT. We're going to upload that one here in Canva using apps, and then we're going to search for bulk. Okay, and here we have bulk create.
Oh,
We're going to upload the data. And see here, we have the quote and the author. So ChatGPT did this one to segregate the author and the quote. So next thing that we're going to do is connect the data to our elements. So I want this part to be our quote. So next is we're gonna click the quote, then connect the data, and here's the element. And this one, I want to change this to author. Okay. Yes, we can also delete this one. And
or you can add someone like a person, they can put their own website address also. Like I can put .com. Very good.
So next is we're gonna generate the 25 designs that we have from ChatGPT. And see here, we can always personalize it whatever we want. If we want to put the author here, it's okay. We have several things to do here in Canva. If you want to change the elements, if you want to add emojis, it's a great tool since it will be efficient for us. We don't have to search everything online because ChatGPT is going to provide us with contents.
And then every day we can do a little change and then set it apart. Okay, this looks very good. And then we can also change the background, some of them.
Yeah, of course. If we want to change this into something nature, we have elements here. So since it's about leadership, we can search leadership here. Elements, and they offer photos here. I think this one is a great photos. First is we're gonna drag it.
And I can position it like a color of the font and so. Wow, that's very good. And then you can download separately, or you can download everything together either way.
Yes. So it's easier this way because we don't have to copy and paste everything from ChatGPT. So the purpose of this bulk create is for efficiency, and also ChatGPT offers us this catchy headlines and everything.
Oh, that's good. You know what? Another thing also, I just realized that we can also do, for example, 10, what do you say, like a 10 headlines, 10 catchy headlines for a, like as our audience is real estate agents, so we can do 10 catchy headlines for for your listing.
Okay.
And we can have like a slideshow on that. Okay, so this is part. Okay, very good. So look at this, what ChatGPT and Canva can, and this took like literally like not even a minute
Yes.
to know about that. We can combine that ChatGPT to Canva. Very good. So we're going to see you then next time for our next Canva tutorial or something with market. Thank you. Very good.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally easy and affordable.